Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back and welcome to the night flight. I'm going to attempt to record some night video too, because it looks like in the screen we have just enough light out here we might be able to get something. Now I am going to attempt to flip, but at a high altitude. God help me. I'm just kidding. This thing looks really sick. Okay, I'm going to get some height here. And it flips nice.
Ooh.
Very nice. So it's a good flipper. And we can still see some stuff on the screen here. Now red, of course, is for forward. I'm going to put on the secondary rates there. You know, they should have had the green for the front, because man, those green ones light up really nice. But then again, I mean, it is a good part of reverse. So green on the back and white in the front would be awesome. Kevy might have to do a mod at some point when I'm motivated. Oh, does that ever look sick, eh? That is one awesome looking flyer.
They really need to get one for themselves, so it's so much better in person.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's slam this sucker into altitude hold.
3 and 3.
I guess it's not too bad for night, even though it's flashing. Like the W606-5 that I have, now that thing was a pain in the neck. Just because it also didn't have extra lighting either. So, this actually isn't too bad. And I'll just cover there. It's just stabilizing itself out. It's not bad. Just trying to trim it out a little bit. There we go. There's a decent little hover. Now the wing can stop pushing it. It's got a little bit of forward push, but not bad. Okay, let's get out of altitude hold. So remember guys, when you come out of altitude hold, make sure you got some throttle up. Much better though for night flying without it flashing in altitude hold. Daytime, no biggie. We don't care about lights in the daytime. That is a really slick machine. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording on the FPV. of our flight, folks. That is awesome. I wonder if I can rebind, because I just shut the radio off. I think it's too dead of a battery to try rebinding. We'll have to experiment with a good charged battery. Awesome stuff, guys. Awesome stuff. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I think this thing's sick.